Welcome back to my channel. So in previous lecture we have learned Coulomb's law when used to find electric field due to large continuous distribution of charges leads to the application of complex mathematics involving integration, double integration, etc. In symmetrical charge distribution, a much easier way to find electric field is by using Gauss law. So now we are going to start another chapter, which is Gauss law. Okay, so in this chapter we will study Gauss law and apply it in finding electric field due to symmetrical charge distribution. So before starting this chapter, let me introduce some basic electrostatic terms, which is electric flux. Okay, consider an area S held normal to an electric field E. Means here area and area vector and field both are perpendicular to each other. These parallel lines represent electric field and this perpendicular line represent area vector. So total number of electric field line passing through this closed surface is known as electric flux. So electric flux may be defined as total number of electric field lines passing through a closed surface is called electric flux. And mathematically it is given by electric flux phi is equal to dot product of electric field and area vector E dot ds. So this can be written as phi E is equal to E s dot product of two vector is defined as magnitude of these two vector and angle between these two, Es cos theta. Or this can be also written as phi E is equal to E dot ds, surface integral of electric field over a closed surface is known as electric flux. Okay, means किसी भी क्लोज सरफेस के थ्रू पास होने वाली टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक लाइंस ये कहलाती हैं इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स. Or simply mathematically, surface integral of electric field over a closed surface is known as electric flux. Now unit and keep in mind E dot ds, and this product is also known as scalar product. So this quantity phi E is also a scalar quantity. Phi E is a scalar quantity. And second one, unit of phi. Electric field multiplied by area. So unit of electric field will be, since E is equal to F by Q. तो F की यूनिट होगी न्यूटन, चार्ज की कूलम और एरिया की मीटर स्क्वायर. So Newton meter square per coulomb will be unit and dimension of phi. Newton force की dimension होगी m l t minus 2 into meter square means dimension meter का एरिया का l square upon charge 80. So m l square and l cube t minus 2 और ये ऊपर पहुंच जाएगा, ये भी हो जाएगा t minus 3 and a minus 1. So m l cube t minus 3 a minus 1, ये हो गया डायमेंशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स. Okay, next. Next topic is continuous charge distribution. Continuous charge distribution. So we know that electric charge is quantized. A collection of large number of elementary charges is said to be form a continuous charge distribution. In most of the practical application, total amount of charge on bodies is very much greater than that of single electron or proton. Therefore, in such a cases, we ignore the charge quantization, and continuous charge distribution may be one-dimensional, two-dimensional, or three-dimensional. So on the basis of dimension, this continuous charge distribution may be classified into three. So first classification, which is known as linear charge density. Second, surface charge density. And last one, volume charge density. So let me explain first one. What is the meaning of linear charge density? So suppose the charge is distributed uniformly along a line, straight or curved. Then the charge distribution is known as linear charge density. So let's consider a normal wire of length L, and if a charge plus Q is uniformly distributed over this wire, then total charge divided by total length is known as linear charge density, which is represented by lambda. So linear charge density lambda is nothing but charge divided by length. So charge per unit length is known as linear charge density, and unit will be coulomb per meter, and dimension of charge will be 80 and length L. So it will be equal to A T L minus 1. Suppose if we bend this straight wire in the form of a ring such that radius of that ring becomes R, and same charge plus Q is uniformly distributed over the surface of this ring, then linear charge density in this case will be equal to charge upon total length. So what will be the total length? Circumference, and circumference of this ring will be equal to 2 pi r. Now come to the next one, surface charge density. Let's consider when a charge is distributed over a surface, then charge distribution is called surface charge density. So let's consider a surface S and a charge plus Q is distributed over this surface. So in this case, surface charge density, which is represented by sigma, is equal to this charge divided by this area, surface area. So charge per unit surface area is known as surface charge density, and unit will be equal to charge coulomb and area meter square. Now come to the next one, volume charge density. So let's consider a sphere of volume V and radius of that sphere is r. Let's consider a sphere of volume V and a charge plus Q is distributed over this sphere. Then volume charge density, which is represented by rho, is given by total charge per unit volume. So rho is equal to charge upon volume. What will be the volume of this sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube, and unit will be, charge can be expressed or measured in terms of coulomb upon volume meter cube. So coulomb per meter cube will be what? Will be unit of this volume charge density. Similarly, we can find dimension of lambda, sigma and volume also. So dimension will be 80 minus 1, 80 L minus 1. Similarly, dimension of this sigma will be charge, dimension of charge will be 80 and area L square. So it will be A T L minus, sorry, A T L square. It will be A T L minus 2. Okay, now come to the next one, dimension of this rho, which is volume charge density. So volume charge density, dimension of volume charge density, charge, dimension of charge will be 80 and volume L cube. So finally it will be A T L minus 3. Okay. So finally we reached at the end of this lecture, and today I will ask some question related to previous lectures, and you have to solve those questions or numerical and mention your answer in comment section.